Hi everyone. I want you to watch this video. I'm going to keep it short for you, but I really want you to see this because I did an IG live this morning with Lissa from Raw Food Romance. Lissa and Chef AJ are the two people that organized this health bundle. And we were talking about what things intrigued us in the offerings. And she mentioned this ebook about blood panels, blood work for plant-based eaters. And I went, I missed that completely. Even if you have bought the bundle, I want you to look for this. Okay. So that's why I'm doing this video. So I'm going to show you here Annual Labs for the Plant-Based Eater with Healthy Recipes by Dr. Laurie Marbas and Brittany Jaroudi. Anytime we get blood work done, of course, we are reading the results and we don't have a clue. So they go into what the values are, normal values, high and low, what considerations there might be on a plant-based diet. And I thought it was pretty interesting to look into myself cholesterol, because when I had my blood work done last year, my HDL, the good cholesterol, was actually kind of low. And I thought, what? You think you're doing everything right. And I did a little bit of Googling, as we do. And I did include more nuts and seeds in my diet. But if I had this, I would have read into it and had a little more confidence in what I needed to do going forward. So all of the different panels are here. And then at the end, we have specific concerns for plant-based eaters. So this is really special. They talk about vitamin B12, for instance, having low or high B12, vitamin D, omega-3s, iron, ferritin. They go on to mention calcium and iodine, zinc, selenium. So this is really gold. This is like a little nugget of gold in this bundle. And I think all of us could use having that at our fingertips, printing it off and having it, and have a little more confidence in making some decisions if we need to make changes. So I wanted to share that with you. Okay, my video may have gone a little longer than planned, but if you have the bundle, look at that one, print it off. And if you don't, guys, it's basically an $8,000 discount. It's $8,049 for like $49. So link over and see everything that's in there.